Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best website. You can claim your free Dogecoin from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos is a free way earning website and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this all website. And this website launched a new Zcash and you can easily making your earning from this website. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. The registration is very easy. Just put your username, email, repeat email, password and repeat password and paste your FaucetPay wallet address, email address. Okay, FaucetPay email address. I have already account. Just I click sign in and I show you how you can earn your free cryptocurrency from this website. Okay, right now I'm logging in this website. This is very easy. Every 5 minutes pay you this much Doge and you can easily claim. Just solve this little captcha, just click verify and just click claim your free faucet. Okay, this website pay you instantly in your FaucetPay, but first of all solve a little captcha in here too. Okay, now you can see, just click this one. Okay, please wait few seconds so this link will be active. Right now you can see this link will be active. Just click the link. Okay, wait few seconds to reload the page again and you can see this website pay you instantly in your FaucetPay without doing anything. I reload the page. I share with you the withdrawal of this website. You can come back and down in here you can see I earned this much Doge. Okay, this website link available in description. Just watch my all videos. This all videos is a free way earning websites. Bye bye for now.